And my dear friends, a very pleasant morning to you all and also the blessings of this fantastic new year. So myself Ishan and today I am going to speak on very serious topic, water conservation. At first place, I would like to express my gratitude to our director sir who give me this precious opportunity to speak on this topic. So I hope that all of you will listen me carefully and patiently. Friends, as if we know that water is the most essential thing for us. Life on earth is impossible without water. Because from quenching our thirst to cooking our food, from bathing to cooking, and even from waking up in the morning to going to sleep at the night, we use water everywhere. Plants also needs water for photosynthesis. So we can say that if there is no water, so there will be no trees. And there will be no trees, so there will be no oxygen. And if there will be no oxygen, so there will be nothing. So therefore, water is the backbone of our ecosystem. Friends, if you see the earth from space, then you find that most of the earth is blue. That's why about 71% surface of earth is covered with water. But you will be shocked to know that only 1% water is available for human use. So we have to understand that water does not need us, we need water. And water conservation is not our choice, it is our duty. Our duty for nature, for society and for our future generations. But instead of conserving water, we are wasting the water and creating the conditions in which the level of groundwater is falling very rapidly. However, there are many reasons of water scarcity, such as water pollution, global warming and increasing population. But there are some many small and daily life activities by which we are wasting a lot of water. And now I am going to share some of them. So first, keeping tap running while brushing. Friends, do you know that on average, a family wastes around 20,000 liters of water per year by this negligence. Second, ignoring leaking taps. Friends, do you think that is a normal thing? But you will be shocked to know that a normal leaking tap can waste around 11,000 liters of water per year. Third, overwatering the lawns. This activity also wastes a lot of water. So these are very small activities which we can improve to save water. And we should also spread awareness about it because we can see many people around us who are wasting the water because they are not aware about it. They think there is enough water available on the earth. So it is our duty to make them understand. So I would like to end with a powerful and strong message that when we conserve water, we conserve the future of our planet, our country and of our family. So save water today and secure life tomorrow. So that's all about my topic. Very thanks for listening to me.